If you're seeing the message unusual activity detected on ElevenLabs, don't worry. This is usually a security check, and in many cases, it's easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to do step by step so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's jump in. First, check whether you're signing in from your usual device and your normal internet connection. ElevenLabs can flag a login if it notices something that looks different from your regular behavior. For example, if you're on a new laptop, a different browser, a hotel Wi-Fi network, a VPN, a proxy, or even a privacy relay that can trigger the warning. So before you do anything else, ask yourself, am I using the same device and the same connection I normally use? If you are using a VPN, proxy, or privacy relay, turn it off completely. These tools can make your login appear like it's coming from a different region or a suspicious source, and that often causes security systems to block access. After turning it off, go back to ElevenLabs and try signing in again. In many cases, that alone is enough to solve the issue. If you still see the message, refresh the page and try once more. Sometimes the warning is temporary, and a simple reload can clear a failed login attempt or reset the session. It's a quick step, but it's worth trying before moving on to the more advanced fixes. Now, if the problem is still there, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. This can remove old session data that might be confusing the login process. To do that in most browsers, click the three dots in the top corner, go to Browser or History Settings, then choose Delete Browsing Data. Make sure to select cached images and files and cookies and other site data. Then click Clear. Once that finishes, reopen your browser, go back to ElevenLabs and try signing in again. If you're still having trouble after that, it may help to restart your browser or try opening ElevenLabs in a private window after turning off any VPN or proxy. But in most cases, the combination of using your normal connection, disabling privacy tools, refreshing the page, and clearing cache will fix the issue. So to recap, confirm you're on your usual device and network, turn off VPN or proxy tools, refresh the page, and clear your browser cache and cookies if needed. Those simple steps solve most unusual activity detected errors on ElevenLabs. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.